Hello everybody, this is JRE from JRE Cam. I'm here with my dad named Rock. You got anything to say, Rock?
Just want to say hello to you guys, alright? And we're looking at some film.
Some video that I'm about to watch with him. This is going to be the first time I'm watching with my dad, so it's kind of interesting. Watch Like Money with the Wonder Girls and Akon. You know Akon.
Yeah, Akon, I know the man, but I don't know what Wonder Girls.
You don't know about Wonder Girls.
First time I can watch it, so I'm going to see how it looks, alright?
Alright, let's go then. Let's see this out. It says Like Money, that's what it's called.
Everybody like money, alright, let's go.
Translate to English.
Translate to English, you said?
The year.
The year.
Unknown. Project WG deemed a success as human genetics are combined with robotic enhancements.
It's like some robot?
Yoni.
Those are Wonder Girls.
Son.
So the robot Wonder Girls are just the real girls?
They're real girls. They're just, this music video is just their robots, I guess.
Perfectly designed for complete domination.
Complete domination?
The future is
Come like I want a Kanye.
Kanye West?
Kanye. Or you could say, Black Eyed Peas.
Black Eyed Peas. But don't it remind you of Tron? Remember where the guy lived?
Yeah, true. Yeah.
The movie?
So these Wonder Girls are like Asian girls, eh?
They're South Korean, yeah. They're K-pop stuff.
So my type of girl, eh?
Your type of girl?
Yeah.
You like an Asian girl?
Oh, I love Asian girl. That kind of look.
Yeah, that kind of look, right?
Yeah.
Look at it, they're robotic. Would you want to date an Asian robot?
Not a robot, bro. I want a
You
real
want a real thing?
I want to feel the flesh and everything, you know?
Ooh.
Not just run, hot.
Hot. Look at her eyes. She wants you to love you like money and cars.
That's alright, you can love my money, you know?
No, love her like money.
Oh yeah?
Like if you like to like money, love her like that, love her like cars. She says.
That's alright. That can happen.
That can happen?
Yeah, sure. Money is alright. I love her.
She'll treat you like a star.
That's good too. I treat her like a queen star.
There's your boy, Akon. He's working with the K-pop.
That's a big thing now, you know. The Asian world is getting big, man. A lot of singers, man. You know?
It's a new thing now. They want to bring it to America.
Like the Big Bang, you know the Big Bang too, just like
Big
that.
Bang.
You know?
Oh, that was JYP, the Asian doctor.
They just start to pop up big time, you know.
Yeah, man.
Even the dancing world, you know. It's all the Asian guys, they even like that, you know. Dancing up like that. Jabberwocky, you know Jabberwocky, right?
Jabberwocky should be nice here.
Yeah, that's what Asian men now in Las Vegas now. You know, somewhere in Las Vegas, big show.
But it has that robotic feel though to this. I guess saying like they're perfect.
Yeah, that's true, you know, but sometimes you can malfunction, you know.
This is like Tron. I have that Tron feeling.
Maybe one turn real at you.
Maybe. Or they might kill me.
You that too? Oh, stuff with it, huh?
Interesting car.
Future car.
The future car. You love them Asian girls. No. You married an Asian girl.
I'm not a Filipino Asian girl.
Alright.
Can you tell me?
But these girls are hot. Hey, you got American artist Akon. That's cool. You know, it works out.
He's a businessman, a singer and everything, so he went where things are, you know.
Yeah, it's like Tron, right?
Yeah, it's true. Try, yeah, true.
That's what it feels like. In space or wherever.
That was pretty alright. That was good, man.
That was pretty good. That was decent. I liked it.
Yeah.
Trying to modify it, not all K-pop-ish. But yo,
You're the expert. No,
I'm the expert. You liked it though? You liked a little bit of it?
Yeah, man. Of course, man. It's a nice.
Nice
can
girl.
dance,
You
and
can
they
dance,
they
sing,
can move
rap.
around. Plus, they have a good guy who's
Got Akon and them. So yeah, I liked it. He liked it.
African
There you go.
Guy, man. African and Jamaican.
He's African, right?
Yeah, African American guy.
Yeah, Akon. Akon. Alright.